This is round 26 of the 2020 Hot Rods Club Championship. Let's look who's racing tonight. Back in the winner's circle after a sensational race last week against Hot Wheels boys is Dwarf Karami Racing in the mighty six-wheeler, the Toe Jam. Michael Bonnet's behind the wheel. He's looking for another win tonight. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a new racing team. This is James Clement and his 100 proof racing team. Lisa Smith is behind the wheel in this mighty Auburn 852. I've seen it in practice and it is extremely fast and it's got the potential to wipe out the Toe Jam tonight.
Let the hot rods begin. Race 1. Dwarf Karami Racing in the Toe Jam and Lisa slamming into the back.
Dwarf Karami Racing with the first points in the board, but Lisa in the Auburn right behind him.
Race 2. Winner, Lisa Smith in that mighty 852. And a very late charge by Dwarf Karami Racing in the Toe Jam.
All squared, out of race 2.
Race 3. Winner! It's Lisa Smith again in the Auburn 852.
Not sure what's happening with Dwarf Karami Racing in the Toe Jam. They look a bit lackluster on that last race.
Race 4. Winner! Dwarf Karami Racing in that 6-4 by the Toe Jam.
Dwarf Karami Racing putting everything on the line in that Toe Jam. All squared.
Race 5. Lisa Smith in the Auburn 852.
Well, what an upset this has been tonight. 100 proof racing with Lisa Smith behind the wheel in the Auburn 852. They get their first win right here on Hot Rods. Here's your top 10. Lisa Smith, behalf of 100 proof racing, get their first win. Dwarf Karami Racing with 2. NZ Racing and Mark D still up top of the ladder. This is out of race 1, out of turn 1. What a very close race this was tonight. But there is Dwarf Karami Racing in that Toe Jam. He still dominates this track. He slips and slides, but he is just a force. That six-wheeler really handles Mount Western Raceway, as I've said before. A nice big hit at the end there by Lisa. This is race 2, and Lisa Smith in the Auburn 852 is just powering around the track. Look how confident she is driving. I love that little low turn that she does. Hits that sidewall and just powers across the line and gets her first win. And not a bad time, a 9.03 second. Hot Wheel Boys still holds a record at 8.21. This is going into race 3. It's Lisa all the way here. Dwarf Karami Racing is trying his hardest. He's trying everything he can, but it's Lisa Smith. Look at this little turn. Yet again, this is her first time on the track with 100 proof racing. And here she's just holding on and crosses the line, and she's going to be a force to reckon with, I think. Coming out of turn 1, out of race 4, and it's Lisa Smith in that mighty Auburn 852 all the way. She does that turn again, hits the sidewall, and that's the end of her. Dwarf Karami Racing seizes the opportunity in that Toe Jam, crosses the line, and I think he's just rattled and just going, what the hell is going on tonight? Let's head into race 5, and this is the racing that we're looking for. Dwarf Karami Racing in the Toe Jam. They're dominant, they come out of the gate fast, they go down Mount Western Straight, there's no problems. They've got this sewn up the six-wheeler, it's all over the track and just slides and leaves this gap wide open for Lisa Smith in the Auburn 852. Well, there you go, congratulations Lisa Smith, driving on behalf of 100 Proof Racing. You've got your first win right here on MWR. Dwarf Gourami Racing, a big thank you to you. We will see you back right here on the track in a brand new hot rod very soon. Congratulations, Lisa Smith driving on behalf of 100 Proof, racing right out of the States. You get your first win right here on MWR after round 26. Coming up next Thursday night, we have Cess behind the wheel for Metal Mania 3D. She's driving the Pass and Gasser. She's from Australia, she's from Tasmania. Thursday night racing, hot rods, Aussie time. Catch you later.